Hi, I'm Dikshita. Come learn with me at Hint2mint. Hello guys, welcome to our channel Hint2mint. Today we're going to be doing a video on commodity market. Did you know that the commodity market is older than the cash and equity market? The value of your shares can be zero, but the value of commodity can never be zero. Let's look at a few questions so that you guys know more about the commodity market. How can a beginner start trading in the commodity market, and what should one follow to earn a continuous profit?
When it comes to commodity market, a beginner should first become a student rather than thinking about profit and loss in commodity market. He should first understand the basic lot size, what is the tick value when it comes to a commodity contract, which is the commodity he loves to trade into, what are the basics, what are the key factors, what are the fundamentals, what are the technicals, what are the key jargons one should understand. So for a beginner, what is important is knowing the commodity market first before thinking about even profit and loss. He should first start with paper trading, understanding the basic concept of commodity trading, and then he should take a call into live trading and should even determine the level of risk he is ready to lose in terms of money value when it comes to commodity trading schools.
What are the best strategies for trading in the commodity market?
When it comes to commodity trading, there is no one such strategy which is best suited to an individual. What I'll try to say is that there are a lot many things that one determines when it comes to price action into commodity markets. Some of the people are more reluctant towards the fundamentals. Some of the people use technical tools. There are a number of technical tools that are used to determine price action into commodity market. So one should only trade those strategies which come naturally to them. So there's no set rule. Whatever comes naturally to you is the best way of trading into commodity markets. If you feel trend line is supporting best to your profits, you should use trend line. If you think lag indicators like MACD or moving averages are the best tools to work out with, you can use that. So you should not try to copy others. Whatever comes natural and is best suiting to your level of risk and risk capital, you should use those strategies to trade into commodity market.
What is the best time for commodity market?
When it comes to trading in commodity markets, if you talk about international markets, they run 5 days a week and 24 hours. Even in terms of Indian markets, commodity markets start at morning 9 o'clock and runs up to the time of 11:30 and 11:55 depending on the time intervals in terms of the period whether we are trading in summers or winters. So there is no best time when it comes to trading time intervals in commodity market. If you are a trader with limited capital, I will suggest you should trade during the daytime, because during the US timings, when it comes to the direct market, even into overseas market, what happens, the movement is quite enlarged. You tend to make money, but you can similarly lose a lot of money when it comes to US trading hours.
How can ETFs serve as a vehicle for gaining commodities exposure?
Looking for an alternate asset investment when it comes to commodity trading or investment, gold ETF is one such factor or a product that you can look into. You can start off with gold ETF, because if you are not knowing much about the commodity, ETF will give its cumulative value in terms of inflation. As we have seen, gold has continuously risen over years due to its pricing and inflation factor associated with gold. When it comes to even publishing of currencies in almost every country, the central bank takes gold as a basic instrument to measure the amount of currency that needs to be published. So due to this factor, you can use gold ETF as a basic tool if you really want to do split investment in terms of commodity exchanges.
How would you convince a client to trade when there is very slow movement in the market and a very short range?
When it comes to commodity trading and the markets are trading into a very narrow range and are in sideways, I'll suggest for a beginner, this is the best time to trade in the commodity market. Because what happens when there is a narrow range, we can even have very small stop losses associated with our trade. So a beginner, for the best time of trading intervals are those times when market are into sideways trends and there is very limited movement. Because what happens, the trades are pretty short, the risk and reward ratio is equivalently very narrow. So for a beginner, it is the best time to trade in commodity.
So guys, I hope you liked this video. After commodity market, we will be doing our next video on currency market. So stay tuned. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Hint2mint. Also, don't forget to comment in the comment section below if there's any particular topic on which you want us to make videos. Till then, adios.